Raj Babu's lied to him. So I said, what? Then I have a feeling, Salman, Raj Babu has lied to Suraj कि मैंने प्यार किया was a flop, हम आपके हैं कौन सा flop, and हम साथ साथ में is a flop. That you have destroyed Rashri, you made 3 flops. That's why I said, look at the man, look at the way he's coming. This is not the body language of one of the greatest directors of Hindi cinema. That's what do you want to do? So if I was him, I'd have come in boots, underwear, tie, and with a sword in my hand. I am right now. I said, how can you say? As soon as he cooperated with this, what do you have to say about it?
Oh yeah. Usually advance booking for the films open 3 days before the release, but this is one of those rare films wherein you have opened it 5 days. So what was the reason for this thing?
One is opened by mistake also, no?
By mistake, in Chennai, they were to open Kamal sir's film. हमारी खोल दी गलती से 1 घंटे के लिए तो बुक हो गए टिकट्स तो बन गए. No, the reason essentially is because it is Diwali time and we really want a lot of families to come together. तो कई बार ऐसे सुनने में आता है कि नहीं टिकट नहीं है साथ में जाना. We want choice seats, we want to take everyone, especially elders के लिए it is lot to climb up. So we opened पहले so that actually groups can come. They can take their own seat, they can take their own choices. So that was the decision.
And so you must have kept special screenings of the film for family and friends. So what is the best compliment which you have got so far for the film?
We've their compliments. Actually, I really don't know because we've had our trials, we've had our reactions, we have made changes accordingly because trials we keep having full every time. But the greatest compliment that I can have is that whoever comes to see the film says, can I come again to show to my mother, my grandmother, my grandfather? So that shows that there is that merit which I want to give the film.
अरे ठीक है ना पूछने देना सवाल सवाल तो पूछने दे.
Yeah, that is true. There was some objection, but there was nothing out of box. It is in context of the picture, which easily we removed. So there was no.
But were you like, I mean, did you agree with it?
Of course. No, I agreed because actually they're not affecting the story. So it was easily removed. We were prepared also.
What is that song? The song only it was there, no? How does it go?
प्रेम लीला.
No, in the song we have a Ram Leela song. Usme there were certain parodies of films. So we were told we should not keep. So we removed. It became much more.
How did from the song it moved into the parody?
No, he wants me to sing.
Listen now. So narrate it to me.
Let's all clap for Suraj.
Just narrate that to me, na? From that.
No, his introduction starts first with Nach Meri Bulbul. It starts with that. And then of course it goes to Hone de aaj halla, dekhe gali mohalla, चाहत के माथे चंदन का टीका है राम सीता इसमें शर्मो हया की रस्में जिनमें मोहब्बतों का तरीका सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला राम सिया की देखो निराली प्रेम लीला. So उसमें नाच मेरे बुलबुल that we had to remove.
So then, yeah, from there, so it was a parody. From there it goes to Nach Meri Bulbul, then it goes to another one as well, no?
मार दिया जाए छोड़ दिया जाए.
अब वो आप सेंसर बोर्ड से पूछो.
Have one of you. Would you like to expose it to the media today? Not that well, not the 9-1 not the childlike quality. And how have you maintained the innocence? Innocence
wait,
intact?
Wait, it's there.
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Would you like
This
to?
is where the innocence is. Innocence है हमको when we are showing take name also. Yeah. So no, it's a superb name to take. मैंने प्यार किया was complete the rush stage. So I was calling all my friends and everybody. I was to work out at the Sea Rock. So everyone from Sea Rock came. So Zeenat Aman was there. She used to work out there at the Sea Rock. She at that point in time was married to Bazar Khan. So I said, "No, come and see the film, Zeenat ji." So she came to see the film. She came out of the film. He said, "I'm going to shut my eyes, and you are rubbing Idex on the ankle." So I said, because the scene was actually such that she got hurt below her knee, but again she said that I will not show my knee. So I think from there, my knee. So we had to do the ankle. But this is ridiculous. I can understand you mid-thigh, and you rubbing, and there you say that, that I'll shut my eyes. I can understand that, but ankle and that happened. So Bhagyashree unknowingly has contributed a lot to our thing. There came a kiss thing. So I said, kiss, kaise karunga? I said, Surbabu, I'm slightly uncomfortable with that. Is you're uncomfortable? So you thought I can still come in. She is now refusing to do it. Refusing? This is a love story. This is, that one case. Not only case, there's no spit swapping happening there, no smooching happening there. So I said, okay. That one gets that much. So, this is a Rashidi film, yeah? So, I said, okay, Joe. She said, no. Then now the belt is not short. One belt used to be moving. Then one pen used to be here. यहाँ पर गिरा हुआ है. 2 20-year-olds walking, one walking this side, one walking that side. He said, done. Does not need to do it. कांच लेके आओ. This is brilliant. So that कांच has come because then came short dress. She had agreed to wear the short dress. Now she's getting married. So no short dress, Himalaya mountain is written on there. Maybe short dress, nahi padegi. I said, now what to do? He getting angry, like he thinking angry. That's it. Done. This is your heroine. It's for your eyes. My wife is for my eyes. Nobody needs to see. वो रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा लेके आओ. फोल्डिंग वाला रिफ्लेक्टर होता था. तो गोल्ड रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा काटे लोग ने दो को ज्वाइन किया. पीछे से दिखाया कि ये शॉट है. And they were
No, but honestly, what he and Bhagyashree did really made the film, because you suddenly know that this is Maryada. Nothing works better anywhere than Greece.
Hi Salman, Wasim here from India News. सबसे पहले the seriously
आपके सवाल का जवाब मिल गया ना?
मैंने प्यार किया से आप ओवरनाइट सुपरस्टार तो बन गए थे, लेकिन शायद हमने ये सुना कि कई सालों तक स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था, फिर से अपने आप को एज ए हीरो लॉन्च करने के लिए तलाश रहे थे. लेकिन हर डायरेक्टर, हर प्रोड्यूसर यही चाहता था कि आपको भाग्यश्री के साथ एज ए कपल साइन करें.
प्रॉब्लम ये तो हिमालय नहीं चाहते थे ना. हिमालय को उन्हीं के साथ काम करना था. So then that point in time when Bhagyashree quit, so it became like ये तो picture Bhagyashree की है. Salman Khan तो was just lucked out fluke. In that time, one producer came and signed me, and his name was Himesh Reshammiya. Himesh Reshammiya must have been about 15 and a half years old. Seriously. Okay. Before the film released, Himesh Reshammiya and Bobby Kent were the two people who signed me. But the first one to sign me and start shooting, Bobby Kent was still waited. कि picture चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, all that. But Himesh did 2 days of shooting at ये अपना लालबाग का जो राजा है ना, that whole street, huh? He shot with me there. So it was, before the release, I was still shooting for Maine Pyar Kiya. So he could, get away with that. So he was
नसीम भाई
the
का
one.
लड़का
And so in
सोल
this song was Chandni ki dal par sone ka moor was a song that was recorded for that film. They remember that name of the film was called Yuva. And after that, Maine Pyar Kiya.
But मैंने प्यार किया के बाद some of the